Nowadays, enterprise customers are growing and they have got more and more locations, and the network is becoming very complex how to manage and monitor those networks. So Infraon IMS have got a solution for managing and monitoring these complex networks using the Infraon Infinity platform, which comprises multiple modules of the product and doing different kind of activities by using different modules. We have got Infraon Asset Management, which does the complete asset discovery of the network devices as well as PCs and laptops and servers, and it puts in the common CMDB database. And from there, we do the complete lifecycle management of these assets from procurement till retirement. Once this data has been populated, we start doing monitoring of active devices, which are like network devices like routers, such as firewall servers, where using the different protocols like SNMP protocol, WMI protocol, SSH protocol, or using REST APIs, we collect the data, performance data and fault data from these kind of devices, and we use the different kind of thresholds to configure in the devices. Based on the thresholds, we get the alerts, and these alerts, which are critical alerts, they get converted into ticket using our ITSM tool. In ITSM tool, we have got a different workflow written based on the organization needs, and based on the workflows, based on the departments, the workflow will be used, and these alarms will get converted into tickets and goes to respective departments or respective team to work on those tickets. And these engineers in the field, they will resolve the problem and close the tickets in the ITSM tool. Once the ticket is closed, SLA can be measured whether engineers have been able to solve the problem within the SLAs or not. If not, then SLA breaches will be calculated and the system will do the SLA breach calculation and provide the reports on that. Other than this, we have got another module we call as Infraon NCCM. NCCM job is to do the backup of the configuration from network devices which are supporting Telnet or SSH protocol. So it can be of any make and model. We are not dependent on make and model of the product. First thing, we do the backup of these configurations and make it as a baseline configuration. After that, whenever there is changes taking place on network devices, system will do automatically backup of those configuration, keep in our database. Customer can do the configuration comparison between the baseline versus the next version. They can see what changes have been taken place. Using this system, we can also block certain kind of commands which is not allowed by the administrator to do it. So privileges can be stopped and they cannot do any kind of those activities. Other than this, we will be able to do a complete security vulnerability check on these network devices based on the company policies what have been fed inside the systems. Other than this, we have got another module we call as Infraon NetFlow. NetFlow helps you to collect the data using the flow protocols like NetFlow, JFlow, SFlow or IPFix, and based on these protocols, what data we gather, we do the complete dashboarding reportings on this. So we will be able to identify and tell you from which application are consuming more bandwidth, which protocols are consuming more bandwidth, or which users are consuming more bandwidth. Other than this, we can provide you the traffic movement from source to destinations. One more thing what we can do, enable the security policy on this NetFlow model. We will be able to identify from where the spam is getting generated or from where DDoS attack kind of things are happening on the network. So we will be able to identify and give the information to administrator from which IP the DDoS attack is happening. So this way we will be able to do a complete fulfillment of all the requirement of the customer using Infinity platform. Other than this, we have got two more modules on top of these products. One is that we call as AIOps, which is used for NMS data. Long-term data can be used to do more analysis, and we can do predictive analysis on that data, how the data is getting used within the organizations. We use Gen AI on ITSM tool to do the complete automation on the ticketing tools so that we can minimize the number of tickets on the platform. So that's the way we are able to fulfill all the requirement of customers in the field. If you would like to know more about the product and features and you want to see the demo of the product, please contact us. You can visit our website www.everestims.com, or you can write to me ramesh@everestims.com.